Alright guys, today I'm going to show you how to draw a super adorable Cocker Spaniel. So we're going to start with the eyes. So we have this upside down U shape, and then we have this little line at the bottom. And then inside we're going to draw the eye. So our Cocker Spaniel is going to have giant eyes. And then when we're done drawing that, we're going to draw another oval and then a giant circle. Our Cocker Spaniel is just a little puppy. That's why we want to draw the eyes super big. And then we're all done with that. We're just going to color in the pupil area. Color it all in. You can see I'm taking my time. I don't mind if it takes a little while, just because I know if I go slow and I'm really careful about coloring inside the lines, I know it's going to look nice. So that's why I did that. No rush on that. Okay. Then we draw the nose. This big upside down triangle shape. And we're going to color that in as well and just leave a little bit of it white. That'll be the shine on the nose. Curved line up here for the snout. And then we'll finish up the mouth. So we have one part of the mouth and then the other part. And then of course we need to draw the chin too. That's pretty important. Alright, it's all coming together. I'm going to draw the sides. We have some giant ears. They kind of swoop, they curve, make like an S curve. We're going to do it on both sides. And we add these little fluff marks because Cocker Spaniels are super fluffy. And we're going to do it again until it connects. So it's thinner near the top of the head and then the ears get thicker as they go down. Bring it down and then they'll connect. Add some eyebrows. And I'll also draw the top of the head here. It's not a perfect curved line. It's almost like there's two curved lines on the top of the head. And then two diagonal lines to finish up the head. Alright, the hardest part is done. Smooth sailing from here. We're going to add some more of those lines just to show how fluffy this dog is as we work our way down to the paws. Our puppy's going to have some pretty big paws here. You can see there's one, and then we're going to do the same thing right here. The paws are going to slightly touch, but we're going to draw it just about the same way. Here we go. Add this little line for the belly here. Then we'll work on the hind feet. We have that little curve right there. And we'll make this curve right here. We'll draw that other foot. Perfect. Then we'll draw the tail. And then we're done and ready to color. So Cocker Spaniels come in a bunch of different colors, but I made mine this beautiful golden color. Y'all have fun coloring. Bye for now.